Howdy howdy howdy. I am Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Rose Bro, and this is Art World Geeks, inspired by, where I discuss a work that inspires my art practice. In this episode, we'll look at the 2007 installation, Scale, by the artist Sayal Floye. Floye was born in Karachi, Pakistan, in 1968. The artist is known for her 1992 installation work, Light Switch, in which she projects an exact scale color projection of a domestic light switch on the wall of a gallery. The switch is placed at a height in which one would typically find a light switch, within a home or building. In Scale, the artist mounted 24 speakers to a wall, in a stair-like configuration. The speakers then play the sound of footsteps as they ascend and descend the staircase. This work inspires me to think conceptually, melding idea, form, and content in interesting ways. Until next time, I'm Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Rose Bro. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on social media and the web at Art World Geek.